Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on financial services. This is part first. Now come to the questions. Question number one. The term DIAS refers to financial investment in a highly risky and growth-oriented venture with the objective of earning a high rate of return. Options are A. Venture capital, B. Merchant banking, C. Leasing, D. None of these. The correct option is venture capital. Question number 2. Dash is a road towards high growth of economy. A. Venture capital, B. Merchant banking, C. Leasing, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Venture capital. 3. Dash act as an intermediary to link up the sources of ideas and the sources of fund. A. Venture capital, B. Merchant banking, C. Leasing, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Venture capital. Question number 4. VCFS of a specialized financial institution promoted by dash A. Central government, B. RBI, C. State government, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Central government. Number 5. IDBI, IFCI, ICICI, etc. are promoted by dash A. VCFS of specialized financial institution, B. VCFS of commercial bank, C. Private VCFS, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. VCFS of a specialized financial institution. 6. Write the example of VCFS of a state financial institution. A. KSIDC, B. TDICI, C. CVCF, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. KSIDC. 7. Which of the following is a VCF promoted by specialized financial institution? A. Indus Venture Capital Fund, B. IL&FS Venture Corporation Limited, C. IDBI Venture Capital Fund, D. None of these. The correct option is C. IDBI Venture Capital Fund. 8. Offshore VCFS are promoted by dash and financial institution. A. Foreign banks, B. Private banks, C. State banks, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Foreign banks. 9. High risk is an outstanding feature of dash A. Mutual fund, B. Venture capital, C. Debenture finance, D. Government bonds. The correct option is B. Venture capital. 10. Dash is needed for developing a product in the initial stages. A. Seed capital, B. Startup capital, C. Second round financing, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Seed capital. 11. Dash capital is needed for product development and initial marketing. A. Seed capital, B. Startup capital, C. First round financing, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Startup capital. 12. Dash provided at a stage when product has been launched in the market but has not earned enough profits to meet future capital needs. Options are A. First round financing, B. Second round financing, C. Startup capital, D. None of these. Here correct option is B. Second round financing. 13. Dash capital is provided for early manufacturing and marketing expense. A. Startup capital, B. Seed capital, C. First round financing, D. Second round financing. Here correct option is C. First round financing. 14. The additional finance provided by VCFS to overcome fledgling stage is called dash A. Second round financing, B. First round financing, C. Seed capital, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Second round financing. 15. Dash is known as mezzanine capital. A. Development financing, B. Expansion financing, C. Replacement finance, D. None. Here correct option is A. Development financing. 16. Dash stage is called fledgling stage. A. First round financing, B. Second round financing, C. Startup capital, D. None. The correct option is B. Second round financing. 17. Dash stage of financing includes financing, development, expansion, buyout, etc. A. Early stage financing, B. Later stage financing, C. First round financing, D. None of these. The correct option is B. Later stage financing. 18. Dash is known as bridge finance. A. Development financing. B. Expansion financing. C. Replacement finance. D. None. The correct option is B. Expansion financing. 19. Dash refers to transfer of management control. A. Bridging. B. Buyout. C. Buy-in. D. None. The correct option is B. Buyout. 20. Dash refer to the process of acquiring an existing product line by the current operating management. A. MBOs. B. MBIs. C. CBSCF. D. None. The correct option is A. MBOs. 21. Dash means buying the control of a risk company. A. Turnaround. B. Buyout. C. Bridge. D. None. The correct option is A. Turnaround. 22. Venture capital organized in dash A. 1995. B. 1954. C. 1952. D. 1950. The correct option is D. 1950. 23. Financing 6 units to make them profitable is called dash A. Turnaround. B. Buyout. C. Bridge. D. None. The correct option is A. Turnaround. 24. The purpose of valuation is to assess the dash and viability of the venture and to divide of the percentage of the VCF ownership in the new venture. A. Profitability. B. Feasibility. C. Availability. D. None of these. The correct option is A. Profitability. 25. Dash is used to estimate the value of venture capital investment. A. Revenue multiplier. B. Dual structuring. C. First Chicago method. D. None. The correct option is A. Revenue multiplier. 26. Dash types of valuation method can be adopted by VCF, VCFS, A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct option is 3. 27. The purpose of valuation is to assess the profitability and dash of the venture. A. Accessibility. B. Marketability. C. Viability. D. None. The correct option is C. Viability. 28. In dash method, the starting time and exit time of the venture investment is only considered. A. Conventional valuation method. B. First Chicago method. C. Revenue multiplier method. D. None. The correct option is A. Conventional valuation method. 29. In the dash method, the entire earnings stream of the venture investment is considered. A. Conventional valuation method. B. First Chicago method. C. Revenue multiplier method. D. None. The correct option is B. First Chicago method. 30. The dash is used to estimate the annual revenue of the new company. A. Revenue multiplier factor. B. Expense multiplier factor. C. Conventional multiplier factor. D. None. The correct option is A. Revenue multiplier factor. So that's all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.